Welcome to the exercise classroom, anatomical, biomechanical and practical exercise education. Today's lesson, the triceps pushdown. Introduction. The triceps pushdown is an isolation exercise that targets the elbow extensors, specifically the triceps brachii. Using a cable machine with a straight bar, rope, or angled attachment, the exercise provides consistent tension throughout the movement. It's a versatile option for beginners and advanced lifters, helping develop triceps strength, arm size, and pushing power. Body contour benefits. The triceps pushdown targets the long, lateral, and medial heads of the triceps brachii, contributing to well-defined upper arms. By isolating the triceps, this exercise enhances arm shape and firmness, especially noticeable in the back of the arms. Consistent pushdowns help reduce the appearance of sagging triceps and build a lean, sculpted arm profile that complements shoulder and chest aesthetics. The movement. The triceps pushdown centers on elbow extension, where the forearm moves downward by straightening the arm at the elbow joint. This isolated action strengthens the triceps to extend the arm against resistance, an essential movement for pushing tasks in daily life and sports. It improves performance in actions like pushing a door, passing a ball, or delivering powerful strokes in racket sports, while also enhancing lockout control in compound lifts like the bench press and overhead press. Exercise execution. Stand upright facing a cable machine with a high pulley. Grasp the bar, straight or angled, or rope attachment with a shoulder-width overhand grip. Keep your elbows close to your torso and forearms parallel to the ground. Engage your core and keep your back straight. Exhale as you extend your elbows, pushing the bar or rope downward in a smooth arc until your arms are fully extended without locking the elbows. Keep your upper arms stationary throughout the movement. Pause briefly at full extension to contract the triceps, then inhale as you return the bar slowly to the starting position, resisting the weight to control the eccentric phase. Proper technique. Precision in form is essential to isolate the triceps and avoid unnecessary shoulder or torso involvement. Aim for a full elbow extension at the bottom of each representative while keeping a controlled return to the starting position without letting the forearms drift past horizontal. Avoid cutting the movement short or locking out aggressively. One of the most common mistakes is allowing the elbows to flare out or shift forward during the movement, which recruits the shoulders and reduces triceps activation. Muscle mechanics. During the triceps pushdown, the triceps brachii undergoes concentric contraction during the downward press and eccentric contraction during the controlled return. The long head, lateral head, and medial head all contribute to the extension of the elbow joint. Shoulder and core stabilizers maintain posture throughout the movement to allow focused activation of the triceps. Primary movers. The primary mover in the triceps pushdown is the triceps brachii, composed of three heads: the long head, lateral head, and medial head. These muscles work together to extend the elbow joint against resistance. The medial head remains active throughout the full range of motion, while the lateral head engages more under heavier loads, and the long head contributes both to elbow extension and shoulder joint stabilization during the movement. Other muscle roles. The biceps brachii act as the antagonists, opposing the motion by resisting elbow extension. The Agonists serves as a synergist, assisting the triceps in elbow extension during the pushdown. The latissimus dorsi, teres major, and rhomboids function as stabilizers by anchoring the upper arm and shoulder joint, ensuring smooth and controlled movement. Biomechanical considerations. Cable angle and resistance curve. Using a high pulley ensures consistent tension on the triceps throughout the range of motion. Grip width and wrist alignment. A shoulder-width grip with neutral wrists helps isolate the triceps and minimizes forearm strain. Elbow position. Keeping the elbows tucked close to the torso reduces shoulder involvement and maximizes triceps activation. Posture and core stability. A firm stance with engaged core muscles supports spinal alignment and reduces energy leaks during force transfer. Training effectiveness and optimization. Strict form for maximum isolation. Avoid swinging or using momentum to ensure that resistance is concentrated on the triceps rather than assisted by other muscles. Full extension emphasis. Fully extending the arms at the bottom of the movement maximizes peak contraction of the triceps for better strength and hypertrophy gains. Variable attachments for targeting. Using different cable attachments, e.g., rope, V-bar, straight bar, can shift emphasis slightly across the triceps 3 heads for more balanced development. Controlled tempo training. A slow eccentric phase followed by a powerful contraction enhances time under tension and muscular engagement. Safety and injury prevention. Elbow alignment. Keep the elbows pinned close to the torso throughout the movement to minimize lateral stress on the elbow joint and reduce strain on the triceps tendons. Controlled lockout. Avoid forcefully snapping the elbows into full extension at the bottom of the movement, as aggressive lockout can place unnecessary stress on the elbow joint and connective tissues. Appropriate load selection. Use a resistance level that allows smooth, controlled motion without momentum, ensuring the triceps, not body swing or shoulder movement, are producing the force. Wrist position. Maintain a neutral wrist alignment during the pushdown to prevent excessive strain on the wrists and forearms, especially when using straight or angled bar attachments. Variations and alternatives. Overhead cable triceps extension shifts the resistance angle to place more stretch on the long head of the triceps. Rope triceps pushdown allows for wrist rotation and a fuller contraction at the bottom of the movement. Straight bar triceps pushdown offers more stability and control, ideal for heavier loads and lockout strength. Reverse grip pushdown targets the medial head more directly and can reduce wrist strain for some lifters. Mastering the triceps pushdown enhances upper arm definition and pushing strength, making it a key isolation exercise for developing powerful and well-balanced arms.